guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you all are doing good and are safe at your homes. And for all of you all who don't know me, hi, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a first impressions video जो कि बहुत 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 ज़्यादा दिनों से पेंडिंग था. मैंने लास्ट टाइम नायका से कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स लिए थे एंड वो मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किए हैं, so that I could film a first impressions and tell you कि मुझे कैसे लगे वो products. So yes, I have a lot of stuff here. So I'll be creating a makeup look. मतलब कुछ planned नहीं है, but yes, I'll try to do justice with this makeup look that I'm going to be creating. So yes, without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. So yes, before beginning with this makeup look, I'll first hydrate my lips, जो कि बहुत 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 ज़्यादा necessary है, क्योंकि matte lipsticks आपके lips को dry कर देती हैं. So you need hydration for that. So मैंने ये मंगाया था Blue Heaven का lip balm and this was in the flavor coco. मैंने इसका strawberry या bubblegum flavor I have used and मुझे ये काफ़ी पसंद आया, काफ़ी देर तक hydrate रखता है ये. So this is how the cute packaging looks like and let's just hydrate. So first in row comes the primer and I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So ये basically मैंने एक या दो ही बार यूज़ किया है. This I got in a collab and yes, मतलब जितना मैंने यूज़ किया 1 to 2 times I liked this product. So this is basically a blurring primer जो कि आपके pores को minimize कर देता है. एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस क्योंकि ये एकदम स्मूथ बेस आपको प्रोवाइड कर देता है. एज द नेम सजेस्ट इट्स अ ब्लरिंग प्राइमर, तो ये एक मैटिफाइंग सॉर्ट ऑफ लुक देता है आपकी स्किन पे. दिस इज रियली गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल एंड जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे होगे इट हैज प्रोवाइडेड अ इवन बेस मैट एंड यहाँ पे आप देख रहे होगे आपको पोर्स दिख रहे होंगे. इफ इट्स विजिबल ऑन द कैमरा यहाँ पे पोर्स दिख रहे होंगे, बट हेयर इट्स लाइक वेरी 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 स्मूथ. So I'll be applying on the other side as well. So yes, I have evenly applied the primer as you can see and बहुत ज़्यादा matte and smooth base बना दिया है इसने. So the next I will be putting on a concealer and this is the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer and this is in the shade 130 medium and ये मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से लेना था. It retails for 620 and ये मुझे 300 कुछ का मिल गया था. So it was like a very good deal. So this is how the bottle looks from inside and मैंने अभी तक open भी नहीं किया है. So I have to twist it, I suppose. Yes, I'm really excited for this one. निकल क्यों नहीं रहा? This is how the product looks like. So I'll be applying this. एंड दिस इज माई शेड क्योंकि मैंने इनका फिटमी वाली रेंज पे मीडियम यूज किया हुआ है एंड दैट इज माई एग्जैक्ट मैच. बट आई थिंक ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है बट आई कैन मेक दिस वर्क. ओ इट हैज अ प्रिटी हाई कवरेज एंड ये ड्राई भी बहुत जल्दी हो गया, तो मतलब ब्लेंड होने में थोड़ा सा इशू है. मे बी आई एम जजिंग टू सून. आई विल बी ट्राइंग 1 to 2 times मोर इसको, तब जाके मुझे थोड़ा क्लैरिटी आएगी कि कैसा है ये. सो येस, मूविंग ऑन विद द फाउंडेशन एंड आई गॉट दिस Lakme 9 to 5 प्राइमर मैट फाउंडेशन एंड इट इज इन द शेड N20 न्यूट्रल मीडियम. सो दिस इज हाउ द स्पैचुला कम्स. ये थोड़ा सा मेसी हो सकता है ये स्पैचुला है इसका. एक वेट एंड वाइल्ड में भी ऐसे ही कुछ स्पैचुला टाइप का आता है, बट अगर इन्होंने पंप इंट्रोड्यूस किया होता इट वुड बी रियली गुड. एंड ग्लास बॉटल है तो थोड़ा ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली भी कम ही है ये. सो लेट मी जस्ट सी कि ये मेरा शेड है कि नहीं. आई एम होपिंग कि मेरा शेड हो, वरना डिजास्टर हो जाएगा इस लुक के साथ. सो यस, लेट्स जस्ट ब्लेंड. yes, it is my shade. ये भी बहुत सीमलेसली ब्लेंड हो गया इजीली एकदम. एंड क्योंकि उस कंसीलर ने काफ़ी कवरेज ऑलरेडी दे ही दी थी, सो आई विल नॉट बी अप्लाइंग मोर. सो आई विल बी डूइंग द सेम ऑन द अदर साइड एज वेल. So I'll just be setting my under eyes with this loose powder that I use. So I really like this one and I've used this before. So I'll just quickly set my under eyes and be right back. Like it might be possible कि on camera ये थोड़ा सा light लग रहा हो, but trust the process, I can like make it work. And real में अगर मैं mirror में देखूँ तो like it's like almost similar to my skin tone. So yes, I'll be moving on with the brows and I'll be using my favorite product. So it's from Etude House only, so it's not a new product. So I'll just quickly do my brows and be right back. So yes, I'm done with the brows and moving forward with the eyes. तो eye product मैंने दो लिए थे. So this first was this Swiss Beauty liquid eye shadow. मेरे पास इसके दो shades already हैं, like the champagne 3 and 4 मेरे पास already हैं. And this is I suppose 05. Yes, this is rose gold retro. And ये एकदम अगर आपके पास एक भी है तो it'll like amp up the look जो भी आप try कर रहे हो. And second, I got this liner to try. It is also from Swiss Beauty and it's the metallic eyeliner. So yeah, I don't think I'll be using. I'll just swatch and show it to you guys. So this is how the product looks like. मैं try करूँगी कि incorporate कर लूँ अगर हो पाया, क्योंकि silver and gold पता नहीं एक साथ जाए ना जाए. So I'll just show you the swatch, like how the product looks. It's a very pretty. मुझे इसकी longevity के बारे में तो नहीं पता. I can't tell you right now. But this is how the liner looks like. It's a total metallic silver color. So before applying the liquid eyeshadow, ऐसे barely eye पे. So I'll just be doing a transition crease shade. So I'll be using this Wet n Wild palette, जो कि मैंने बहुत use किया हुआ है. Like this was the second or third palette that I got for myself. So I'll just be applying a transition shade ताकि वो एकदम bare ना लगे. And if you are a beginner in makeup, तो you can buy these metallic shadows and apply on the lid. तो ज़्यादा मेहनत भी नहीं है and ऐसा भी लगेगा कि आपने कुछ तो effort डाला है eye makeup करने में. So yes, it's a really good trick that you beginners can apply. So moving forward with this liquid shadow. And let me show you इसका wand कैसा है. So this is very friendly. This is how the applicator is. It's a doe foot sort of a flat applicator जिससे आप easily अपने eye पे apply कर सकते हो. Oh my god, can you see एक stroke पे? I'll just be applying inner corner पे. Inner corner से लेते हुए I'll be going to the mid of the eye. एंड ये आपको काफ़ी क्विकली करना हो कि ये ड्राई बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. इट्स लुकिंग रियली नाइस. Let's just apply it on the other eye as well. So this is how the liquid shadow looks like. It's a very pretty rose gold sort of a coppery shade. So I'll try and incorporate this liner as well. देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. Hope I don't ruin the look. Let's just do a small wing sort of thing. It's a very watery sort of a liner. ये उतना pigmented नहीं है जितना मैंने सोचा था. Might be ये glitter के ऊपर इतना show नहीं कर रहा है, ये भी हो सकता है. So this is how the liner turned out. ये pigmented है, मुझे लग रहा है कि like it's not showing up उस glitter के ऊपर. So next moving forward with the mascara, and this is the Kiko mascara that I got for myself. And let's just try. इसकी भी wand sort of Maybelline है, एक तरफ से curved and एक तरफ से ऐसी. So you can just out curl भी और in curl भी आप कर सकते हो. So let's just try. So as you can see the length it has provided. So this is how my lashes look. So I really like this mascara a lot क्योंकि इसने length बहुत ज़्यादा provide की है. So I'm really liking this look क्योंकि I'm not into falsies and stuff क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक apply किया नहीं है. And to be true मुझे आता भी नहीं है करना क्योंकि I've never tried it. So yes, it looks really nice. So I'll not be contouring and moving forward with the blush. So I'm using this SFR color blush and it is in the shade, like it had a number on it. So yes, it's 3 naked apricot. It even comes with a mirror. So this is how the mirror looks and this is how the product is. And बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है, शायद ये 100 या 110 का है. So let me just show you the swatch of it. मैंने इस पे एक shorts भी upload किया if you guys have seen it. So this is how the shade looks like and let's just apply it. And ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा pigmented है, तो be careful while applying it. I'll just be applying it. So I'm done applying the blush as well. So moving forward with the highlighter, and I'll be using I have this highlighter only, Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. So this is how it looks like. So I'll be right back after applying this. So yes, moving forward with the second last product, and it's a lipstick, of course. So I got this lipstick from the brand Inside Cosmetics, and it was in the shade 01 Joyful. So ये काफी ज्यादा hype हो गया था, and it's very 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 affordable. शायद 90 या 100 के अंदर ही है ये lipstick, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it retails for ₹90 only. So this is how the bottle looks like, and it's a brown sort of a shade. Of course, I'm into brown shades these days, and I'll just be applying. So yes, this is how the shade looks like, and it's a very 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 pretty shade as I can see. But ये इस look के साथ थोड़ा जा नहीं रहा है, so I'll just be muting it down so that look के साथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा चला जाए ये. So this is how the lip color turned out after muting it down. So moving forward with the last product, and it's a makeup fixer. So this one is from the brand Swiss Beauty. So this is how it comes in a black bottle, and it has aloe vera and vitamin E in it. So it's, I think, very 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 affordable, and it retails for, I don't know how much it retails for, like 250 के around है ये कुछ. So let me tell you a fun fact, मैंने आज तक makeup fixers use नहीं किए हैं. So this is the first fixer that I own. So let's just try ये कैसा होने वाला है. So I'll just hide my eyes and spray. So yes, it does contain fragrance, and इसका spray इतना ज़्यादा fine नहीं है. So I'll just take my blender and just like dab the product. So this is how the entire look turned out, and I'm really 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 liking this look. Be it the eye look, how it turned, be it the shade of lipstick, be it the blush. So I'm really liking this look. Hope you also found this look really good. And talking about the products that I absolutely liked, so first would be this lip shade, because like I am a sucker for brown lip shades, and this was a bit different from the usual brown colors that I personally own. So the lipstick was from the brand Inside Cosmetics. Second is this obvious like liquid eyeshadow from the brand Swiss Beauty. Third and the fourth product that I liked are these, like this mascara from the brand Kiko, because it provided me the accurate amount of length and volume. And lastly is this blush from SFR Colors, which is very affordable and is highly pigmented. So these are my personal favorite products from the first impressions haul video. Do comment down below and let me know if you have ever tried these products or you want to try these products. So yes, that was all about my first impressions video, and if you did like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do share it with your friends and family so that I'm motivated to make more of such great content. Until then, stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye.